highlight David and we go ahead into the layer sprite editor. Now a couple ways you can do this. Click the face, click the eye, or you just come right in, click the part that you're going to work on, which is kind of a fast way to go. Okay. All right. So that's how you would change his move. We're at the beginning of the timeline. Let's make him walk just a tiny bit here, and we'll make him blink. Okay. And we're going to go advance it 4 frames. Okay, missed a couple there. It doesn't matter. And then we open his eyes again. Okay, pretty simple. And now we'll jump ahead a few frames and we'll do the same process here. All right, we got a couple blinks in there. Like to go a little way here. Let's take him. And this time we're going to do a squint. And we're going to do that for just a few frames. Go back to normal. But let's go to casual, see how that goes. Okay, that's nice. Let's take him a frame. Now I want to go to normal. Take him a bit here. Let's see the whole timeline now. All right, we're going to take him just a bit further. Go, and let's do another blink. Only this time we'll do a smile close. A little friendlier blink. Frames. Okay, good. Take him about here. We'll do another smile close. And we'll take him 3 frames. Normal. Go. 3 frames. Smile close. Okay. And then we're going to go frames, open its eyes. Okay, that's it. Let's check this out. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, we'll check that out. Let's take a quick look at a preview here of that one. Okay. Yeah, you'll notice that he lags quite a bit because of the screen recorder on. It's nice and smooth on my end. Sorry. Once we actually render the clip, then it'll play smooth for you. We'll do that pretty soon. Add another character scene. All right, we're going to go back to the beginning. It's best to do that when you're adding somebody in that way. You don't have to unanimate them and not. Okay, let's grab another character here. Gives me a moment while I adjust this so that I can see stuff. Okay. And that'll. All right, let's put somebody on the park bench. Okay. Oops. All right, so see how he's highlighted here? And when I bring a new actor in on top of him, just erase, which is kind of cool. This, if I had let him go, he would do the same routine. Let's look at that really quick. You can just see this real fast. Okay, say I decide I want a new actor instead of the policeman. Already worked out the motions and the eye blinks and everything. And in theory, this actor will do the exact same thing. So let's just play him, see what happens. Here we go. Okay, the video is gonna lag here for you, but it runs perfect for me. Be sure to see the end clip for the rendered clip. Pretty cool. Okay, pretty cool, huh? So what I'm gonna do here then is I'm gonna go back really quick, render this. Okay. Okay. We're gonna keep this in episode 3 as well. We can edit it in. And we'll go to CapCut after a while, and we'll start editing the rest of these scenes, and you can watch me create this third episode of Hound Dog News. Okay, here we go. Give this just a moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, since I got this brainstorm, is I'm going to go ahead and have the bum walk through the scene, and then I'm just going to back up a couple clicks and go ahead and have David walk through, and we'll record that with his new eye motions and his hands fixed. And then I'm going to marry the two scenes together in CapCut, and it'll be the one guy walks through and the next guy walks through. Okay, so here we go. This one's just about done being rendered. Okay. Now we've just seen it, so I'm going to go ahead. See it? Come back now and the back button. And this is going to undo putting bum in the scene. Okay. Now we're back to this. So it's as if I haven't made any changes. And so I'm going to go ahead and save. Okay. And I'm going to render this one now. Same thing, same settings, MP4, 1080. That's really all you have to have, and then you're set on the right range. It's all pretty automatic. Okay, so we have the park bench with the policeman, episode 3 park, bum, and we'll just call this episode 3 park. And let's go ahead and render that. And let's go to CapCut after this, and we'll marry this to the movie that I'm making, episode 3. You can see that really quick, how that kind of looks. In fact, I'm going to say no. And we have that video rendered now. Let's just go do one more alternative. Kind of fun anyway. All right, we're going to put Homeless Fred here. Go ahead and set him workbench, just for fun. Okay, sometimes they have an action menu. You can just make them sit. That's okay. We're going to come here to content, template, action. All right, and we'll sit him there. So, should handle it differently here. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do here is undo him, bring him down just a smidge, undo his. There we go. Now we'll sit him. Okay, so now he's sitting, and that took 3 frames to get him into the sit motion. Okay, so now we'll just tweak him just a little bit here. Let's just roll back his. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. We just want him for the scene. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Hopefully he's sitting on the bench decent, but I think if I just tweak his arm, to kind of get where it looks like he's hanging on to something. All right. And I'm going to also try flipping quick and see what that looks like. Okay, here we go. Got to highlight more time. Got in. Flip him. Well, that's not bad. All right, I want to lean him just a hair. Okay, he's just leaning into it just a little bit. Yeah. Oh, come on, mouse. Behave. There we go. That's better. All right, I'm going to grab his hand. Oops, the other one. All right, I'm going to turn his hand. And all right, how does that look? Does that look natural? That's not too bad. I mean, it could be better. I think I'm just going to bring his hand up. Just... Okay, and I could open his fingers and stuff and make. But we don't have an editor here, I see, so there's no hand editing options on this character. All right, we'll just call that good, and let's take a quick look here and see what we got.